morning, dear students. Welcome to Infinity Simplify Your Problems, TET, CTET or CET Mathematics exam preparation. So for your TET point of examination 2023. So in this video we are going to learn the concept of arithmetic progression. So we will learn what is arithmetic progression and what are the terms related to the arithmetic progression. Yes, myself is FAROOQ sir. Yes, so let us begin with the arithmetic progression. So first of all, try to understand the meaning of arithmetic progression in the what are the terms related to the arithmetic progression. Before going to arithmetic progression, first let us try to know the what is sequence. Yes, a sequence is an arrangement. Sequence is an arrangement of numbers. Sequence is nothing but it is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some rule. For example, 2, 5, 7, 9. It is a sequence. Here we are arranging the sequence in a definite order. And what is that order? Each term is increasing by plus 2. Plus 3, sorry. Wait a minute. We did the mistake here. Yes. 5, 8, 11. So we are arranging the numbers in a definite order according to the sum rule. So we are arranging the numbers in the order wise, and we are using the rule is here. Each term is increasing by plus 3. So we are adding to get the next number or term. We can say we are adding the previous term to the 3. So this arrangement is called as sequence. We can say the various numbers. Next point, the various numbers occurring in a sequence are called terms. So this 2 is a one term, and 3, 5 is also one term, 8 is also one term, 11 is also one term. The various numbers, whatever numbers occurring in the sequence are called the terms of the sequence. We denote the terms of the sequence by A1. So we are denoting this sequence. This is this 2 is A1, and this is 5 is A2. 8 is A3, and 11 is A4. We are denoting the terms of the sequence like A1, A2, A3, A4. Here the subscription denote the position of the terms. So what is the subscription means what? So this this 1 is the subscription, 2 is a subscription, 3 is a subscription, 4 is also subscription. Subscription denotes the the position of the terms. It is the first position. 2 means second position. 3 means third position. 4 means fourth position. And in general, n means nth position, we can say. So this is the sequence. Next, the types of sequence. Finite sequence, a sequence which contains finite number of terms. A sequence which contains finite number of terms. See here, finite number of terms. Finite means countable. A sequence which contains a countable number of terms or finite number of terms is called as finite sequence. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. It has a 4 term. It is a finite sequence. Take another example. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. It is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has a 5 terms. So it is a finite sequence. So it means a sequence which has a finite number of term or countable number of term is called as a finite sequence. Infinite sequence, a sequence which do not have the last term. See here, a sequence which do not have the last term, which extends indefinitely is known as infinite sequence. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7. There is no end. It will goes on indefinitely. So there is no last term here. 2, 5, 8, and so on. Here is also there is no last term. So such type of sequence are called as infinite sequence, we can say. Next come to the what? Arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. So it is a list of number. Arithmetic progression बोले तो क्या रहता है? It is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained. In which means what? Progression में all list of numbers में. In the list of numbers, each term is obtained by adding. We are adding a fixed number to the preceding. Preceding means what? Back term. To the preceding term except the first term, leaving to the what? First term. So here example. So this is the 2 is the what? First term here. Here second term is what? 5. Then 8. Then 11. Then 14 and so on. It is a list of number. Yes, it is a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. So first term is added by 3, you will get the what? Next term, that is 5. Again for 5 we are adding a fixed number, that is 3, you will get the what? 8 plus 3, you will get the what? Again 11. If you add 11 to plus 3 to the 11, you will get the what? 14. Here observe here, according to the definition, an arithmetic progression is a list of number. The first case is what? It is a list of number 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. We are adding the what? Fixed number. What is that fixed number? That is 3 is the fixed number here. 3 is the fixed number to the preceding terms. What? Backside term we are adding except the first term, leaving to the what? First term के पीछे नहीं जा सकते हैं, first term से आगे. Yes. E is called as a what? AP. Each numbers of the sequence is called a term. So here in the AP we are calling this one 2 is what? The term. The terms are denoted by what? A1 first term, A2 second term, this is A3, this is A4, this is A5. As in the same case of sequence, we are denoting the what? The terms of the arithmetic progression also what? A1 is the first term, or A is also called as what? First term, and A2 is the second term, A3 is the what? Third term, A4 is what? 11th term, A5 is what? 14th term. Yes. The fixed number is called, and one more important thing, this fixed number is called, see here, this fixed number is called common difference. So whatever the fixed number we are adding to the preceding term, that fixed number is called as what? Common difference. This common difference could be, remember this one, this common difference could be positive number or a negative number or an even or a zero number, we can say. Yes. So this, the fixed number, that is common difference, is denoted by what? Small d. The common difference is denoted by what? Small d. So this is the definition of what? Arithmetic progression. Next, general form of the arithmetic progression. It is very important. The general form of arithmetic progress of AP, whose first term is A and the common difference is D. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, where A is the first term, where A is the what? First term, A is the what? First term, and D is the what? Common difference. So I am writing the general form of the AP here. See, A is the first term, A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. Here A is the what? First term. That first term is nothing but A1. A plus D is what? Second term. That is A2. A plus 2D is what? Third term. General form of the AP, whose first term is A and common difference is what? D. Suppose if you want to write the 20th term, A20 is equal to, see here, A plus, see here, A plus 20 minus 1 is what? 19D. If you want to write the general term, that is A23, the first term is always A, 23 minus 1 is what? 22D. In this manner we are writing the what? General form of the AP. So here how we are writing the general form of the AP. Take two more examples, 2 to 3 more example how to write, because it is very important how to write the what general form of the AP, because we are using to solve the what problems here. We are going to write the what A98, that is 98th term, A25, A62, A84. So these terms we have to write in the what general form. So here how to write these. A98 means 98th term, A plus 97D. 25th term is what? A plus 24D. See here, 98 minus 1, 97D. 25 minus 1, 24D. Yes, 62 means what? 61D. A plus 61D. Yes, 84 means what? 83 here. A plus 83D. In this manner, we are writing the what general terms. Generally, we are writing the number of terms, specifically 98 means A plus 97D. 25th means what? A plus 24D. And 62 means what? A plus 61D. And 84th term means what? A plus 83D. And the next, let us talk about the word common difference. What actually the common difference is? It's very important. The difference between two consecutive one after the other, one after the another term is what? Consecutive terms. The difference between two consecutive terms in an AP, which is a constant, if the difference between the two consecutive terms is constant, is the common difference. That is the what? Common difference of an AP. In the arithmetic in the progression, see the example here: 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. The common difference is what? 3. How to calculate the common difference here? 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Here we have in the progression 5 terms. We are going to calculate the common difference. D is equal to what? A2 minus A1. What is A2 here? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 means what? 3 you will get. Again D is equal to A3 minus A2. 8 minus 5. Again you will get the what? 3 here. 11 minus 8. Again you got the what? 3. 14 minus 11. Again you will get the what? 3. In all the above 4 cases, see the common difference is same. If the common difference is same, then the sequence is said to be what? Arithmetic progression. Otherwise it is not an AP. Yes, the common difference of the given list or given sequence is same, then that sequence is called as what? Arithmetic progression. Otherwise it is not an arithmetic progression. So let us discuss some important point, as is the difference between any two consecutive terms of an AP. Difference between any two consecutive terms of an AP is the common difference. The common difference may be what? Positive, that is increasing. 0, it is a constant. Negative means what? Decreasing. If you are getting the common difference negative, then AP is what? Decreasing. If you are getting positive means then the AP is said to be what? Increasing order. If you are getting the 0 means what? It is a constant AP. It is a constant. Next, the nth term of the AP. Generally, the nth term of the AP is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the what? First term and d is what? Common difference. So how to calculate the nth term of the AP means we are using the formula. The nth term of the AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an means what? Nth term. A is first term. A is what? First term. N means number of terms. D means what? Common difference. It is CD. Short. In short, we are common difference means what? CD. So this is the formula we are going to use to calculate the what? the nth term of the AP. So similarly, in the same manner, if they ask the nth term of the AP from the last, that is in reverse order, at that time we are using the what? The formula of the AP. Last term will become what? First term, that is L is the last term, or AN is the what? Last term of the AP. L or AN. Yes, last term of the AP. At that time, AN is equal to L plus N minus 1 into what? Minus D from the last. In the reverse manner, we are going to calculate only the common difference is what here? Minus D. To calculate the nth term of the AP from the last means AN is equal to L plus N minus 1 into D. Yes. Now let us find the algorithm to determine whether the sequence is AP or not. It's very simple to find the algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but how to find the what? Whether the given sequence is AP or not. First step, we have to obtain the nth term, that is AN. Replace N by what? N plus 1 in AN to get AN plus 1. Calculate AN plus 1 minus AN. We are going to calculate AN plus 1 minus of AN. It is nothing but common difference. Yes, if the common difference is same, in the same manner A2 minus A1 D, D is equal to A3 minus A2, D is equal to A4 minus A3. If the common difference is same, then it is said to be what? AP. In this manner we are going to calculate the what? The common difference of the AP. Next comes to the what? Finite AP and infinite AP. Finite AP. Finite means countable. Finite means what? Countable. That we can count. Countable. Infinite means what? Uncountable. That is uncountable. Uncountable, we can say. Yes, uncountable. Uncountable. Yes. See here. Infinite means uncountable. So let us try to understand what is finite. A finite AP is an AP in which the number of terms are what? Finite, or number of terms is what? Finite. For example, in the AP 258, it contains the what? Last term. Remember, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is an AP. It contains the what? 4 terms. Here the last term is there. If an AP contains the last term, and that AP is called as what? Finite AP. An infinite AP is an AP in which the number of terms is what? Infinite, and it does not contain the last term. See here, infinite AP means 5, 10, 15 and so on. There is no end here and there is no last term here. So such type of AP is what? Infinite AP, we can say. Next, sometimes we require certain numbers of terms in an AP. The following ways of selecting the terms are generally very convenient, and these terms are what? Very important to solve the what? Word problems or applied problems, we can say. See here, how to take or how to decide the number of terms. If in the question it is given if 3 terms means what? At that time A minus D is first term. We have to select A minus D comma A plus D as the terms of the AP. 3 terms means what? A minus D, A plus D. These are the 3 terms. Here A minus D is what? First term, A is the what? Second term, and A plus D is what? Third term. And the common difference of these 3 terms is always what? D. Similarly, fourth term means what? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. If in the question it is given 4 term means what? We are selecting A minus 3D is the first term, A minus D is the what? Second term, A plus D is the what? Third term, A plus 3D is the what? fourth term. In this manner we are selecting the fourth term, and here the common difference of the fourth term is what? 2d. Next, fifth term. 5 terms are given. If 5 terms are given in the problem, the 5 terms of the AP, if it is mentioned in the question like that, at that time we have to take a minus 2d is the first term and a plus 2d is the what? The fifth term. A minus d is the second term and a plus d is the what? Fourth term, and the middle a is the what? The third term of the AP. So I am writing here so that you will get the what? Clear explanation for 5 terms. So for if the 5 terms are given, at that time we are writing what? A minus 2d is the first term, a minus d is the second term, and a is the first term, a plus d is the what? Fourth term, and a plus 2d is the what? Fifth term. In this manner we are selecting the what? 5 terms, and the common difference of the 5 term is also what? D. Next, if it is given 6th term, means at that time a minus 5d is the first term and a plus 5d is the what? 6th term. A minus 3d is the what? Second term. A plus 3d is the what? Fifth term. A minus d is third term. A plus d is what? Fourth term. In this manner we are selecting the what? 6 terms. So I am going to write these 6 terms separately here so that you will get the what? Clear explanation. So if 6 terms, how to write the 6 terms of the AP in the problem if it is given? A minus 5d is the what? First term. A minus 3d is the what? Second term. A minus d is the what? Third term. A plus d 4. A plus 3d 5. A plus 5d is what? 6th term. In this manner we are writing the what? 6 terms. Here the common difference of the 6th term of the AP is what? 2d. Observe one point here. It should be noted that in the case of an odd number of terms, the middle term is what? A. If the odd term 3, 5, 3 and 5 are what? Odd here. If 3 terms means what? The middle term is always what? A. If 5 term means what? Always here 5 terms is what? 5 means what? Odd. Again you are getting the what here? Middle term is what? A. Next, in the same manner, and the common difference of the odd number of terms is what? D. While in the case of even number of terms, that is 4 and 6, the middle term is what? A minus d comma a plus d, and the common difference of the even number of terms is what? 2d is the what? Common difference. Next, come to the what? Arithmetic mean. So what is the arithmetic mean? If 3 numbers a comma b comma c in order or in AP, then b minus a is equal to c minus b. That is common difference. If a, b, c are in AP, then b minus a is exactly equal to what? C minus b. That is what? Common difference. Then minus b goes to the what? Left side. 2b, c plus a or a plus c. Thus a and b, c are in AP if and only if 2b is equal to a plus c. In this case, b is called the what? Arithmetic mean of a and c. It is very important. This result we are using to solve the what? Problems. Yes. Next, very important point, sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP is denoted by what? Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Remember, it is very important formula because directly you will get the what question? What is the formula to calculate the sum of the AP whose first term is a and common difference is d means what? At that time we are using what? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, d is the what? Common difference, a is the what? First term, d is what? Common difference, and n is what? Number of term or total number of terms we can say. So this is the first formula. When the first term and the common difference is given, at that time we are using what? Sum of the nth term, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now if the last term is given, if the last term is, that is L is the what? Last term. Sum of n term of the AP is also given by, if a is first term, If A is what? First term, L or AN is the what? Last term. Last term is denoted by what? L or AN is nothing but the last term. If the first term and the last term of the AP is given, at that time we are calculating the sum of the AP by using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. We are using this formula, remember this one, or Sn is equal to R. Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus AN. Both the meaning are same because L is also last term or AN is also what? Last term. These two formulas. Direct questions you are getting in MCQs. Which formula is used to calculate the sum of the AP when the first term and the last term is what? Known or given. Yes. Now sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers are calculated using the formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of 10 natural numbers, S10. Sum of 10 natural number, n means what? 10. 10 plus 1 divided by 2, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, then 5 into 11. That is what? 55. Sum of first 10 natural number is what? 55. Sum of first 13 or 15 natural number. N means what? 15 here. 15 plus 1 divided by 2. That is 15 into 16 divided by 2. 2 1s are, 2 8s are. Cancel 15 8s are. 8 5s are 40. 8 1s are 8. 120. Sum of first 15 terms, 15 natural number is what? 120. So in this manner we are using this formula. Yes. Next, sum of even numbers, even natural numbers we can say. Sum of even natural numbers, n into n plus 1, that is Sn is equal to what? N into n plus 1. Sum of first 20 even natural number. First 20 even natural number, n is what? 20. 20 plus 1. Now 20 into 21. 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 420 we are getting. Sum of first 20 even natural numbers. Sum of n odd numbers or n odd natural numbers we can say. Sn is equal to sum of first 10 odd natural numbers. S10 is equal to what? 10 square. 10 square is nothing but 100. Sum of first 25 odd natural numbers. 25 square is what? 625. 625. And the last concept of this AP, theoretical concept, the nth term of an AP is the difference of the sum to first n terms. Sum to first n term is what? Sn. And the sum to first n minus 1 term is what? Sn minus 1 term is what? An. Is nothing but an. That is nth term is equal to what? Sn minus sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. If you subtract these two, you will get the what? The nth term. So this is the what? The theoretical concept of the what? AP. So I hope you are getting my explanation. If you have any doubt or any suggestion, please give me the comments so that it is better for my improvement purpose. And please like and please be with us and make a preparation with us TET. And because I am going to teach all the concept of mathematics for the point of your TET examination and CET examination, please be with our channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.